How's it going, fellas? Untamed Soldier here, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be comparing the sounds from the TV speakers to the sound from the sound bar. Now, both the TV speakers, or just the TV in general, and the sound bar are both Vizio brands. The sound bar I'll be using in today's video is a Vizio SB3821-C6, just to be a little bit more detail-ish. And this is with a wireless subwoofer, so there's going to be some bass in here. And if you guys want to get the full experience, I recommend having some earphones in, not listening off of your phone speakers or you know, any cheap speakers for that matter. If you have some pretty good speakers to use while listening in, that's really recommended. So if you guys, this is like for people who are looking to buy a soundbar for their game set and just want to know what it'll sound like. So I have Call of Duty and Modern Warfare Remastered up on the screen. I'll be doing some, you know, footstep sounds, gunfire, and grenade throwing, and just to have a little comparison in these videos. So without further ado, let us get into the video. So I hope this video helped out some of those guys who are looking to up their audio for their gaming, or possibly to up the audio for their favorite TV show that they want to feel like they're in a theater. If this was helpful, you know, at some point for you guys, give this video a like. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Whatever I make, stay awesome. Have a good one.